Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are healthy and safe and staying at your home with your parents and grandparents. Today I am Surbhi Bhatnagar here to start your new chapter of English grammar. The name of the chapter is Adverbs. It is chapter number 20 in your book. Do you know kids what is a verb? Verb is a word that shows action. Action word or doing word is a verb. Now, adverb, A-D-V-E-R-B, adverb. We are adding something to that verb is known as adverb. Okay? Like adverbs add meaning to a verb. Like for example, the baby is crying loudly. What is the verb of over here? The action word crying. How he is crying? Loudly. Yes. Or you can take one more example like Tina is singing sweetly. How she is singing? Sweetly. Sweetly is the adverb. The word which adds something to verb or gives meaning to verb is called adverb. First of all, you have to know what is verb. Verb is your action word or doing word. So, the word which is an action word, we add something to that. Ran fast. Okay. Ran is your verb. How he ran? Fast is your adverb. Fast is your adverb. Okay. So, let's learn about adverb in this chapter. Let's continue. Adverbs. Adverb add meaning to a verb. As I already told you, adverb add meaning to a verb. An adverb is a word that modifies or describes a verb. He sings loudly. How he sings? Loudly. An adjective, very tall. Very is an adverb. Adverb answer the questions how, when, where, to what extent and why. Adverb of manner is how. How that person is doing his or her work. Adverb of place answers where. Adverb of time answers when. Let us learn about all three. How? Let's read these sentences. The baby is crying loudly. How the baby is crying? The baby is crying loudly. Crying is your verb and loudly is your adverb. Now the answer of how is coming. They are talking softly. How they are talking? Softly. This is your adverb. The car is running fast. How the car is running? The car is running fast. Fast is your answer of how. The words loudly, softly, fast tell us more about verbs. Crying, are talking or else running. They answer the question how is the baby crying loudly. How are they talking softly. How is the car running fast. These are the questions of how of the word. Let us read some more examples of how. Happily, loudly, sadly, slowly, silently, quickly, excitedly, joyfully, calmly, carefully, beautifully. These are the examples of how adverb. Okay. We can take some more sentences by using these adverbs. He is playing happily. The boy is shouting loudly. Shouting is your verb. Girls are jumping joyfully. Jumping is your verb and joyfully is your adverb. They are sitting quietly. Sitting is your verb and quietly is your adverb. She is writing nicely. Writing is your verb and nicely is your adverb. Now let's come to the second adverb, where, which answers where. The adverb which answers where, the place. Now read these sentences. Meena is playing there. Where Meena is playing? There. You can point it out, no? There Meena is playing. So you are pointing some place. The bird is flying above. Where the bird is flying? Above. The answer of where is coming. Jyoti is waiting downstairs. Where Jyoti is waiting? Downstairs. So the words there, downstairs, above tell us more about the verb is playing, is writing or is waiting and is flying. They tell us where Meera is playing? There. Where is Jyoti waiting? Downstairs. Where is the bird flying? Above. These three words there, downstairs and above are adverbs because they tell us where the action has been taken place. Let us read some more examples of where. Here, upstairs, inside, away, far, above, everywhere, anywhere, out, below. He is playing inside. Where he is playing? Inside. My friend is going upstairs. Where his friend is going? Upstairs. Answer of where is coming. He is far away. Far. Okay. So these are some of the examples of where. When. Now let's come to the third. When. Tarun is present in class today. When Tarun is present in class? Today. The birds are flying now. It is answering when the birds are flying now. Manoj gets up early. When does Manoj get up? Early. So these three words, today, now and early, are your adverbs because they tell us when the action has been taken place. Let us read some examples of these. Yesterday, today, tomorrow, now, tonight, late, soon, early. These adverbs answers when. I went to the party yesterday. When you went to the party? Yesterday. When? Question when is answered over here through yesterday. They got up late. When they got up? Late. Okay, these are the examples of when. Adverb modify a verb or adjective. They add more information to a sentence telling us when, how, where. Remember, adverbs tell us where the action has taken place or when it is taken place or how or to what extent. Adverb often ends in ly. Okay, adverbs often ends with li. Adverbs describe the action when. I wrote the essay yesterday. When you wrote the essay yesterday. How? I wrote the essay quickly. How you wrote the essay? I wrote the essay quickly. I wrote the essay neatly. Okay. Where? Now the question, where? I wrote the essay at home. Where? You wrote the essay. I wrote the essay at my home. So adverb describe the action or the verb. If you are having any doubt, any confusion, you can WhatsApp or contact me. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.